Forget everything you know about mobile gaming, because Apple might be about to change the rules again. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Sure, Android leads the way in hardware for gaming phones, but iOS has quietly become the place for premium mobile games too. With console-level titles like Assassin's Creed Shadows, Resident Evil 4 Remake, and Death Stranding now running natively on iPhones, the idea of Apple dropping a foldable phone with serious gaming chops suddenly makes a lot of sense, and it might be closer than we think. We're hearing whispers that Apple's first folding iPhone may have an unconventional design. Instead of mimicking the narrow phone like cover screens of devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Apple's going for a squat passport-style outer screen and a wide iPad mini-like 7.7-inch inner display with a ratio of 14:10. But why does this matter? Because let's be honest, most foldable phones are bad at gaming. Their inner screens are often too square for fast-paced shooters or console ports, which are designed for wide fields of view. Apple's rumored design could finally solve that. Combine that screen with an A-series chip, game mode from iOS 26, and you've got something close to a pocket-sized Switch 2, but thinner, sleeker, and capable of folding. Well, Apple likely won't market it as a gaming phone, but the ingredients are all there. If this bold widescreen foldable becomes reality, it could be the most powerful and portable mobile gaming device yet. One that doesn't just compete with Android gaming phones, but with handheld consoles too. Which more design tweaks would you want a gaming phone to have? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.